honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all my prize mail. Okay, I got this from Cooking with Cricket. She had a giveaway a couple weeks ago, and she pulled my name, y'all. Some kind of random drawing, which I don't know how to do yet. So let's get to it. She had it packaged up very nicely. I've been all through this box, y'all. Lots of bubble wrap that I'm going to reuse. And as I open the box, I smell mint. Look how nicely she has everything packaged. Well, it was better than this, but I've jumbled through it. Put a nice note in here. Okay, it says, "Hey sis, congrats on winning my giveaway. I really hope you enjoy all the scents. Cricket." Okay, nice little note. So, Cricket has a YouTube channel, Cooking with Cricket, and I'll leave a link to her channel in the description box. She also makes and sells candles and candle melts, and y'all will see. Okay. The first thing, the biggest thing in here that she blessed me with is a fragrance warmer. Look at that. So let's go in here right away. It's by Huntington Home, Accent Fragrance Warmer. I think it's the kind you plug in. Let me see. Yep. I think, yeah. Ain't this cute? Live, laugh, love. That's what it says on here. It's embossed. And you plug it in. And you put the little wax melt in here. And then it has holes on the top so you can smell it. So this is about the only kind of wax warmer thingy that I don't have. The kind that I guess plugs into a light fixture in the bathroom or wherever. Has the on off switch. Very nice. Okay. Like I said, it's from Huntington Home. And this is the way it looks. There it is. It's plugged into the wall. Nice. And I don't know how many wax warmers and things around the house. So she already knows I will be using this. Because I've ordered from her a couple times, 2 or 3 times. And I love her products. Oh, this is the pamphlet that came out of the box. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to see what I'm smelling in here. Oh, this is what I'm smelling. Whew. Look at that. Little wax melts. Peppermint. Scented wax melts. Look at that. Ooh. Smells so good. Okay, what else you got in here? Winter Wonderland wax melts. Now she makes all this stuff herself. She also makes beautiful soap. Oh Lord, I'm glad it wasn't glass. She makes soaps. I don't think she sells her soaps. Okay. So that's what Winter Wonderland smells like. Smells good. She packages her stuff up just like what you buy in the store. And here's another coconut lime verbena. I think I've ordered this from her before. It's so good. Yes, oh my goodness. It smells so good. It's the way she labels everything. And you get a full wax melt. Here's another big one. This one is cranberry chutney. Oh my goodness, I think I might use this one first. She also makes a wax melt called Fruit Loops. And I don't think she can keep it in stock. Everybody loves it. Y'all know the Fruit Loops cereal? It smells so good. Okay, this one here is clean cotton. What is this? So this is a scented wax melt. What she call these other ones? Oh, they're all called scented wax melts. What's this one called? Everything's scented wax melts, but they're in different shapes. Okay, this one is apple cinnamon. Whew. Yes, yes, yes. Nice, nice, nice. I got a box full of stuff, y'all. Hazelnut coffee. Can you imagine? Woo! Yes, 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 yes. So far, so good. She was hoping I'd like everything in here. Maple pumpkin. This smells good, too. Now, this is something I wouldn't have bought. Ooh, that smells so good. For real. Cotton candy. I can't believe this. Oh, my goodness. I don't know how she makes these scents smell just like what they're supposed to smell like. Pina colada. I've ordered this one from her. Oh, I think I'm going to burn this one first. Not burn, but put it in the wax melt thingy. Lemon sugar cookie. Oh, smells good. Ooh, that's the way it looks. Blueberry cobbler. I might burn this one first. Woo! Maybe I'll wait till I get company and then I'll burn that one. I think I've been baking. Okay, Allen's Mint Chocolate. To me, this smells just like a, Junior Mints candy. Oh, my goodness. Coconut lime verbena. I think I ordered this one before. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my goodness. Yes, 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 yes. And at last but not least, look at this, y'all. Look at that cookie. This is sugar cookie. And she got on here, do not eat. It looks good enough to eat. Let me see. I'm gonna open it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. It looks exactly like a cookie. Look at that. And it smells like a cookie. I'm gonna put this on a plate and no, I ain't gonna do that to Walter. Here, come and take a bite. I wouldn't do that. I'm just playing. And she packaged everything up so nicely. Nothing is broken. Nothing is cracked or chipped. Very, very nice. So this is what I won from her giveaway. Look at all this, y'all. plus the wax warmer. Look at that. Look at all this. I really, really, really feel blessed, y'all. Okay. That's my winnings from Cooking with Cricket. Cricket, I want to thank you so much. I really appreciate it. For real, for real. I can't say for real enough. I like everything in here. Oh my goodness. I couldn't believe that I won. So thank you so much. I'm getting ready to put this stuff to work right now. Okay. I'm going to show y'all something else. Just a minute. Okay, this is what I put my little wax melts in. Let me show you. I get these from Amazon. I don't know how many were in here. 50. Still got a bunch left. I put the little wax tart thingy in here so it doesn't dirty up my wax melt burner. Let me see. Let's see if this will fit down in here. Okay, I have a paper one that'll fit in here. This don't quite fit because I don't want to dirty this up. And then it's... Okay, I also had the paper type. Got these from Amazon. It was a company just starting up. So it's like a like a heavy cardstock. So it'll fit down in here, and with the wax melt, that will weigh it down so it'll fit down in here. So, and how I use my wax melts like these, I usually cut these in fourths. I got a knife I use just for cutting candles, and I cut it into 4 pieces, so my stuff lasts me a long time. I'll burn this. Okay, I ain't gonna go and come back again. Okay, this is how the, after I cut this into 4ths and it burns, and I'm ready to turn it off for the night, because I don't go to bed with none of this stuff plugged in and burning. This is the way it looks after it hardens. See that? See? And these still have a slight scent to them. So I save my stuff. You can put them in your drawer. You can put them in your closet. You can put them with a newer wax melt and recycle it. But it's like I made a whole new wax melt. But it's not going to be strong as when I first burned it. So, if you like this prize mail unboxing, please leave me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to put a link to Cooking with Cricket, a link to her channel. And y'all, if y'all want to order some wax melts, y'all can get that information from her channel. She's on Facebook. She's on, yeah, we know she's on YouTube. And she has a website with her waxes. It's called Cricket Creates. So, I'm trying to do a thumbnail. Can't hold up everything. No, it don't show good. Okay, that's good. Okay, I want to thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Okay, bye. I see a gnat. I thought I killed all them things. Bye, y'all. Be blessed. Every goodbye ain't gone. I just want to show y'all how I store all my wax melts and candles and everything. Got this big old nice sturdy box. I got this from Target maybe 2 years ago. I want to keep all my stuff together, nice and sturdy. how my stuff looks. So I'm good for scents. I'll be good for a while. All my wax melts and stuff. And even these little things that's already been melted and burnt. Sometimes I mix the scents. Look at that, that's the way I mix one. It still has a good scent. Okay, I'm gone for real now. Bye.